The Garmin Fenix 8 series has been shrouded in anticipation, with whispers of its release sending ripples through the tech community. Recent leaked images and information have only served to amplify the excitement, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the capabilities of this latest iteration. In this video, we'll embark on an in-depth exploration of the Fenix 8 series, dissecting the key features and upgrades that propel it to the forefront of innovation. From display options to battery life, and from size variations to cutting-edge functionality, we'll scrutinize every aspect of this forthcoming release. By examining the enhancements and refinements that distinguish the Fenix 8 series from its predecessor, we'll gain a comprehensive understanding of what makes this latest installment a true powerhouse in the world of wearable technology. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the Garmin Fenix 8 series and discover the future of fitness tracking and smartwatch technology. The Garmin Fenix 8 series revolutionizes user choice with its dual display approach, offering both MIP, memory and pixel, and AMOLED options to cater to diverse preferences and requirements. This deliberate design decision empowers users to select the perfect display to suit their lifestyle, ensuring an optimal experience. The AMOLED display on the Fenix 8 model is a powerhouse of innovation, showcasing an array of novel features. Scuba dive functionality enables precise underwater tracking, while call and voice assistant capabilities seamlessly integrate smartwatch functionality. The Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor represents a significant leap forward, providing unparalleled accuracy and insights into cardiovascular health. By combining these advancements, the AMOLED display on the Fenix 8 model redefines the boundaries of wearable technology, solidifying the Fenix 8 series as a trailblazer in the industry. The Fenix 8 lineup boasts an impressive array of size and display variations, ensuring a tailored fit for each user's unique needs. Spanning from 43 to 51 millimeters, the lineup offers a range of sizes to suit different wrist circumferences and personal preferences. Notably, both the MIP and AMOLED displays will be available in the 47 millimeters and 51 millimeters models, providing users with the flexibility to choose their preferred display type. This thoughtful design consideration empowers users to select the perfect combination of size and display, ensuring an optimal wearing experience. Whether you prefer a sleeker 43 millimeters model or a larger 51 millimeters display, the Fenix 8 lineup has you covered. With its diverse size and display options, Garmin has successfully catered to the varied needs of its users, setting a new standard for versatility in wearable technology. Battery life has also seen a significant upgrade, with the Fenix 8 51mm Solar Edition posting an impressive up to 48 days in smartwatch mode, surpassing its predecessor. The Fenix 8 series also features sleeker bezels, resulting in larger displays compared to the previous generation. The 47mm model will have a 1.4-inch screen, while the 43mm and 51mm sizes will have 1.3-inch and 1.5-inch displays, respectively. The Garmin Fenix 8 series is poised to revolutionize the wearable technology landscape with its multifaceted upgrades. By offering a diverse range of display options, including MIP and AMOLED, Garmin has catered to the unique preferences of each user. Enhanced features, such as scuba dive functionality and advanced heart rate monitoring, further solidify the series' position as a pioneer in the industry. Impressive battery life, with the 51mm Solar Edition boasting up to 48 days in smartwatch mode, ensures uninterrupted performance. This comprehensive upgrade demonstrates Garmin's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction. As the official release approaches, stay tuned for further updates and announcements from Garmin, detailing the full extent of the Fenix 8 series capabilities. With its cutting-edge features and user-centric design, the Garmin Fenix 8 series is set to redefine the boundaries of wearable technology.